Going up. I gotta clean this light again because my honey wants it clean. Right? Right? You can talk.
Yes.
Oh shit. I got a problem here.
Careful. Pull it back.
What am I stuck on?
Oh.
Oh man. Oh, it's so dirty in there. Here, let me set it down.
Just hold it when you're done. Just a
How we do it. I think we're gonna need a.
We're done.
We're gonna need a wet towel because I still see bugs in there.
What?
I still see them.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. You do.
There's a cake. There's just a spot.
Oh, there's bugs in there. Look. You got it? Right there's one. Look right there. See it? All right. Let's put it back up. Okay, now comes the hard part. I'm a 68-year-old man trying to put up this thing. I gotta move this a little bit this way. Just gotta catch it on these edges. Oh, I got it first time. Woohoo!
Oh, you did?
Yep.